Did we have Islam before Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam? You know, it depends on the definition of Islam. The majority of the Muslims, including the scholars, they say Islam is 5 pillars. I say, if that's what Islam is, so Islam never existed before. But I disagree with them. Islam is not 5 pillars. Islam is totally different things, as Abu Hanifa clarified that perfectly. And Islam is actually, according to the most popular definition, so you have to believe in oneness of God and etc., and praying 5 times a day, paying zakat, okay, and fasting in Ramadan, as well as going to Hajj. I say, in terms of praying 5 times a day, it's only our nation, okay. So the previous nations, they used to pray only once or twice a day, maximum twice a day. In my knowledge, Ibrahim alayhi salam and his nation, okay. But the rest of the nations, either once a day or once a week or once a 2 days, okay. So means 5 times a day, it never existed. It's only with us, okay. The second thing is going to Hajj, okay, to Mecca, okay. As we know, for example, with Isa alayhi salam, okay, it used to be Hajj used to be to Baytul Maqdis, okay. Same thing about Musa alayhi salam, okay. It's only Ibrahim alayhi salam who first set up this Kaaba, okay, and he is the first person to do Hajj in there, okay. That is another thing. So as you see, for example, if we give a definition of Islam as them 5 things, means Islam never existed before. Rasulullah is the first person to bring Islam. But I do 100% believe that Islam definitely existed before. But Islam is not what they are trying to prove. Islam is a totally different thing. Yes.
Okay, can you maybe elaborate a bit more on what you think Islam was like before?
Yeah, so Islam is, for example, in our position, Iman and Islam are not different to each other. Iman is belief. Islam is submission to what you believe. Okay, so it is like 1 page, and it is just 2 sides of 1 page. And praying 5 times a day, it could be, as you can say, practical explanation, or practical, you can say, you can say some of the rituals related to religion, okay. But in terms of the actual meaning of Islam is, when God says something to you, you shouldn't say no. That's what Islam is, submitting, okay, believing and to submit to what you believe. That's what Islam is.